Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an astrological sign that stands for innovation, individuality, and progressive thinking. It refers to the 11th sign of the Zodiac, representing those born between January 20 and February 18. It is symbolized by the water bearer. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Aquarius, Aquarius, us, Aquarius. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Aquarius, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.